Today I'm going to show you how to install a peel and stick drawer liner under the kitchen sink, and we are going to begin that right now. What's up everyone? My name is Kat from Classy Cleans. Welcome to another video, and if you are new here and want to learn more tutorials like this, start now by subscribing and hit that bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. If you want to learn more tutorials, click on one of these videos on your screen. And remember to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.